Library Learning Commons is a really exciting, forward-thinking model to the traditional school library. And our School Library Association of Canada, our Canadian School Library Association, is supporting all school libraries to move towards this model. They are physical and virtual collaborative spaces that invite everyone in the school community to participate in learning.
So we've just done a little bit of work so far. We've taken out walls. We've made this place more of a hub in the center of the school. Talk a little bit about how even just the changes that we've made so far of removing shelving, opening it up. Talk a little bit about how even in this time of COVID, where there is restricted movement, what have you noticed in terms of the change from last year to this year in terms of how the space is being used?
Yeah, it is being used so much more. I think students are realizing it's a place where they can connect with other students, where they have an opportunity, as I mentioned earlier, to come in and maybe work on a project or sit there and study quietly with headphones on or something, for the high school in particular. In middle school, we've seen teachers bringing groups of students down for digging deeper sessions where they can work collaboratively and have spaces spread out, access resources, and I've been able to partner with teachers to help them find those resources. So it's definitely being used a lot more than in previous years, which is great to see.